Hi guys, it's Kira. Give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe down below if you want to be part of the Good to Bed family. And I'm just going to say, right now this video might pause by itself, so that's not my fault. But we're going to be freezing a yogurt. So I'll be back when I get a yogurt, so you guys just stay hanging there. I'm just kidding, I'm not going to do that to you guys. Why on earth would I do that? Okay, so you guys just stay there. Okay, good. Looking in the fridge for a yogurt. Looking in the fridge for a yogurt. Oh, I just closed it. Okay, right. Guys, today I'm going to be making yogurt, or yogurt, however you pronounce it, with this little tube. So what we're going to do, we're going to place this poor yogurt tube in the freezer. So let's just put it in the freezer. Put it in this little drawer. So let me show you where the... Don't know if you can guys see. Yeah, in there. So, yeah, and I just made some other ones earlier. I thought I would save one for this video. And we are gonna make some. Well, I watched this on Lucy, and we're gonna try and make some slime with one ingredient. So what you're gonna need, well, this is my way. So what you're gonna need is some conditioner, just any type of conditioner. I'm just using that. And then you're gonna need something to put it in. So I'm gonna put that.
With its unique, powerful system, anti-lime scale, strong cleaning foam, dirt protection, unique and long-lasting freshness. Keep your toilet fresh and clean every day with Blue Power Active. Now with Blue Water Effect. New Blue Active from Blue. Visible cleaning power.
Okay guys, so I've got that other ingredient. You're also going to need some hand soap. I'm using this one, but you can use whatever one you want. And just a little something to put in. I don't know, this is what I watched off of YouTube. So this is only like a 2-ingredient slime. And you're just going to So what you're first going to do is just going to... this is hard. Okay, done it. So you're just gonna add some water. Everyone has water, so whoa. Make sure it's like a little bit cold, a little bit warm. So you're gonna want to add in that much water. Then you're gonna go in with your conditioner. Just squirt like. Let me show you. That much in, and then you're gonna do 7 pumps of hand soap. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now this could go wrong because I just watched it off of YouTube, and also you're gonna need something to mix with. So I'm just gonna mix with this. So let's go. I don't know if this is gonna be a fail. Or not. Okay, wait, stop that. Or you can kind of like mush it up as well. It's getting a little bits now. So once you've done that, go grab some shaving foam. So I'll be as quick as I can, guys.
Now at Co-op, 100% of our fresh meat will come from British farms. No ifs, no buts.
Okay, maybe this isn't a 1-ingredient slime, but you're also going to need shaving foam and some gel. First you want to add in the shaving foam, because then you can put...
Coming up, lost, naked and terrified. Meet the American who survived in a forest for 28 days. Extreme OCD made her wash her hair 72 times a day. Find out how this woman overcame her crippling condition.
Then, we're going to add some gel. I'm using Shocking Waves. So just on top of the... Okay, and you're gonna just mix. I don't know what I was saying. This is not one ingredient. It said it on the YouTube video, but I just copied what ingredients they use. It's obviously not the exact same. Now, some people probably don't have any, but I do. You're going to add some glass cleaner. Now, this is from Lee Green Glazing. My dad works for this company. And yeah, he gave some to my nan. And you're going to add 6 spritz of that in. And now you get this cake topping like. Then you're going to find something bigger to put this in so it has more room. So I thought that you're going to need a little bit of Oral-B mouthwash because better. Just pour some in the lid. Drop. Just about, just like half of the lid, or 3/4, sorry, 3/4 of the lid. Then you're gonna mix. It is very liquidy. Obviously this was a fail. That girl on the YouTube was lying. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put this in the sink. Yep. Oh my gosh. It actually worked. But I'm gonna be naughty and pull in.
She sends you a message. What does it say? It says,
Okay guys, so it would start to get stretchy. It did start to get stretchy. Now I better go put all these back. So.
Is that amazing? Is it? Why are you sending me a request to follow me before you ever want to speak to me? And put us aside, you have a son. I shouldn't have kept it from you. I'm sorry, Adam.
Okay guys, I'll have to do that in a sec. So I'm just going to check on my frozen yogurt now. Should be frozen. Oh no. This is the frozen yogurt that we have created. So I'm going to snip this open. So I'm going to get some scissors. I'm going to be really careful with these ones because these are the only ones that I could find. Just going to touch off.